Here's the building site. Right now it's covered in scrub pine. It was cleared off about 8 years ago. We'll be cleaning it off again. We're out here in the evening. I'm going to pan to the west. Ah, there it is.
April 30th, 2010.
So we're going to walk on through the where the house is going to be. Right now it's covered with anywhere from 3 to 6 foot pine.
Come on, Sadie.
This little section here is smaller pines, a little easier walking. A couple of trees that was left, but they'll be coming down. They've been damaged. There's the driveway area to your left. Got a real pretty view going up into in between the ridges.
That is very pretty.
Going back over to the west, the sun's starting to set now. It's 7:30. Some of these trees will be dropped, so it opens up the view a little bit. This area down in here, most of the topsoil's all been washed off. It's a lot of rock. I'm going to level this out. This will be where we establish a garden. We utilized the raised bed technology instead of hauling in a bunch of topsoil and doing line gardening. And Sadie checking it all out.
Sadie, this is going to be your new home.
And there's my beautiful wife.
I love you.
I love you too. And that's it for this evening.